averaging 63.3 knot. Oh, there's a huge thud here. And so we have a bit of pause here.
There's been a massive explosion here at the ground, obviously too early to decide what it is. That's the end of it, but there was a massive noise. We're here in the commentary box, the players are huddling together, they're leaving the pitch, the guards are assembling all around the ground. This is very, very nervy. Too early to say exactly what has happened, but there's been an enormous noise. There are injuries on the ground. It's in a deep mid-wicket position. It's on the ground itself. It's on the perimeter of the ground by the advertising boards. For me, it was an enormous noise. You can tell that we are shaken here. The players are still on the field. Security everywhere. Ramiz.
Well, difficult to know at this stage, but there's a huge noise, and that got everyone scared. The police there suggesting that everything is under control. The crowds have not left the scene. It's not the conventional big bomb, I think. There's certainly a big noise. The security guys are around the two English players there. I think there is one injury. I'm not too sure whether it's a serious one or not. I think the police, they're trying to reassure everyone that everything is fine.
Players are still on the field there. England players and the Pakistan players. Security out there in the middle with the players. Obviously security in this area that the explosion, the bang has occurred. Too early to say what it is, but I can tell you that it shook the commentary box, which is probably 100 metres away.
Could be an electric shock, I'm not too sure. It was a loud noise, loud, very loud. It did scare everyone in the ground.
Well, it's too early. We're in a commentary position. We're commentating on a cricket match, but there has been an explosion at the Iqbal Stadium. It's obviously a worrying time for everybody here. Security trying to assess exactly what's happened. You can't be too sensational at this moment. You can relay the facts. There has been a massive, massive bang. Explosion, call it what you like, which has shook the stands around the ground.
The police are out there trying to explain it to the umpires what actually happened. It was a gas bottle, I think. That is what seemed to have happened. A gas tank blew up.